Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Tear Through the Void.
Ooh, tear through the motherfucking void.
The Void. I'm Rob, here with my co-host
80. Y'all know me. M80, Devin, whatever y'all want to call me. Just, you know. It's your mans.
Word, bet. So this episode, we decided to go completely random, and we're gonna do Guess That Sound. We stuck to like 90s and 2000s, but you know, I'm gonna play a sound, and then Dev's gonna guess it, and then vice versa. He's gonna play a sound, and then I'm gonna have to guess it.
This shit's gonna be so funny.
So you let me know when you're ready, bro, and you could go. I could go first.
All right. Over here, we doing most iconic video game sounds.
Pause before we do that. We don't own any of these sounds or rights or anything like that.
Right.
Just using it for, podcast purposes. But don't try to come at us. We don't need that.
We love video games. Try to come at me with that. All right.
Pokemon battle.
All right, yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah, that one was kind of easy. Give me another one.
All right, yeah. That was low health. That was it?
Wait, that was it? Wait. What's up?
I got you. Just let me go back. All right, here it
goes. Running into a wall.
Yeah,
hey.
That's exactly what this nigga was doing.
Hey, bet.
Bump.
Let's go. Alright, bet. Alright, so this one. Nigga dies every episode. I be telling y'all, I be telling y'all every episode is crazy.
Good.
I'm on it. I got you, bro. Hold up.
Oh, wait, what's your category?
Just random sounds from the 90s and 2000s.
Damn, that's a lot harder.
I don't want that one. Got you.
Oh, the Nokia.
Yep.
Oh, man. Yeah, oh, man. Countless days.
Nokia.
Snaking. Oh, man.
You want another one?
Yeah, fuck it. We'll go 2 for 2.
Let me see.
Got milk.
Hey, that right there is nostalgic.
That's the one.
PS2.
That's the one.
You just don't want to hear that. When your shit don't work.
Keep it 100. I never had to deal with that because my shit never did that.
You ain't never borrowed a game from somebody. That shit was fucked.
Here's the thing, bro. Like, real shit. I didn't borrow games growing up. Like, if I did, it was me and my brother. And even then, we didn't like swap games much. Cause like, we wanted to play the shit. Yeah, just be like, yo, I'm gonna go over there. It'll be good.
Out the game, like, yo, let me borrow this. Now that you use this joint, I'm like, cool. I get in the game, and they give me the game. The game all fucked up, don't even work. He's like, oh, this nigga got me. No, I'm taking the joint back to his crib.
He was DJing with the disc, nothing but scratches in the back.
Niggas was playing freeze tag with them joints.
Word.
That
All
joint
right,
hit you. All right.
That's Zubat.
Yeah, I gotta get out of here. This is too easy for this nigga.
Yeah,
It definitely was Zubat.
People, Pokemon was my shit growing up. It is still my shit. I won't speak to you. I know that. I know a few of those. The fucking Super Mario 64 where he jumped in the paintings.
Yup.
Yeah, there we go. I was like, wait a minute, you know this one. You better not fuck up.
That game classical right there.
Bet. For you. That was it.
I didn't even hear it.
Hey, hold up.
Oh, that's the PS2 startup.
Yeah, that was too easy.
This startup. PS3.
Also too easy. We giving each other too much familiar shit. I'm on
Yeah.
hold up. I got you.
Come out with songs.
Oh, we can do songs too.
I'm still video games though.
I'm with anything, but like.
Whoa. Was that the Saturn?
Yeah. I'm a motherfucking man.
I was
Word.
like, wait a minute, hold up. That just took me back into my crib playing that
I'm
joint.
with it.
That's crazy because I never really owned that joint.
That's hype.
But I know because, what was it? He played the 3D joint, the pinball joint. There was another fighting game he had for that.
Your cousin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, niggas got Sega CD? Niggas got Sega Saturn? What the hell is that? This joint's fire.
Facts though. Alright, on you.
Oh, I can see him before I play them.
I'm gonna go again.
All right, yeah, go ahead.
Oh, he lost. I bet. This shit should be timed or something. That's way
Yeah.
better with that.
Give me 10 seconds. count.
Wanna play it again?
Yeah, one more.
Hold up, I got you.
Shit. What the fuck? Damn!
Shit sound magical, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yo, my man has lost a little bit. Come on, bro, you got it. I
Damn,
believe
I
you.
heard that joint. Oh.
A million times you probably heard that shit, bro. One more time. I got you.
Oh my god.
You dead ass lost? Well, that's not you, bro. Walt Disney. That was a Walt Disney side. Yep.
Old joint.
The suit, like the
Yeah,
super
the
throwback
VHS end of the movie.
with the
Yo.
like old school Mickey and shit.
Yeah.
Them.
Yo. Alright.
That one I'm lost. I don't know what that was.
That was Castlevania.
Oh, I didn't play that.
Alright, here we go.
I know that one's Mario World. No, Mario Brothers. Super Mario Brothers.
2.
What was the first one? Go back to the first one if you can, because I didn't know what that shit was. Yeah, that shit.
Mega Man 2. One thing I ain't like about Nintendo goddamn soundtracks, they all sound good.
Yeah. Yeah, I get that.
Maybe this wasn't due. Oh no, it started moving on. Okay.
It's on me.
I'll give you another one.
Donkey Kong? Yep.
That was way too easy. I was not expecting that one.
I'm gonna give it on it. I didn't do Donkey Kong like crazy, but yeah, that was a little easy. I bet. Got you.
PHX.
Yep.
Home theater.
Bet. Oh, fuck it. I'm gonna let it run out. Damn, that shit long. Yeah. Yep.
I ain't gotta say.
Yeah, no, that was too easy too. These are too easy, people. No. It's about to go on.
Too much TV. Nintendo. Anybody does that.
Yo, bro, I don't fucking know what that was. What that was?
Play that one again.
They just say, damn, it's on the tip of my tongue.
I don't know, bro. I never had that joint. Nigga, they telling you. Nintendo? I don't know. Game Boy?
Some Sonic game. I don't know. 360. 360. What?
Oh, that's the cell phone game.
Yeah, that's different.
Oh, that's Sonic. No.
And some people would do that too.
Yeah.
I ain't even gonna hold you. I bet. No, you don't get none of that. All of that was way too easy. I'm on you. Bet.
That's the end of The Simpsons.
End of the Simpsons.
Fox 40. The Fox Network.
Gotcha.
Fox Studios.
Yep. God damn it.
That's a hard one. Nickelodeon.
This shit on a fire. I got you. Nintendo.
His is an easy one.
One more time.
Gotcha. I got you one more time.
Yoshi. Cool. I was like, wait a minute. No, this one you need to get. You can't play these games competitively and not get this one. You heard this before.
Okay, here we go. Let's see where that takes me. Not this one. I want to fast forward it, but it skips like 10 seconds. Half of these joints are only like 5 seconds. Command and Conquer.
Yeah, I never played that.
All right, here you go.
Crash Bandicoot.
Yeah, I was gonna say we just doing that joint.
I was gonna say Donkey Kong. Now I was like, nah, boxes, bro.
All right.
This is like one of the best songs in Smash Bros. So I knew that one. That was Kirby Dream Land. Yeah.
Kirby Superstar.
Mm-hmm.
Gourmet Reach. All right, so
Bet.
That's the DS.
Word.
Shut up!
Fucking dial-up.
Fucking dial-up, bro.
That was the first time I heard that shit. Picked up the phone, was like, what the fuck?
Like, who's screaming at
What
me?
the hell is this?
Bet.
Yeah. Yeah. My cousins was like that when I got the 64. Xbox 360.
Yep. Hold up.
Was that it?
That was it.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, that sounds like something. I don't know. Maybe it was a Gatorade commercial.
Niggas in a Gatorade commercial. Something about Legos.
Wow.
On you.
Alright. Might be a little easy.
It was something Mario-esque. Hold up. Rainbow Road. Too easy. Too easy.
That's too easy too.
Yeah.
We already did that again.
Too easy.
Fire.
It's not playing on. You gotta hold it closer to the mic. That one I was lost on, actually.
Okay, it's a different game.
That's Fire Emblem? No, that's Zelda.
Castlevania.
Word?
Yeah.
Damn.
Dracula's Castle. Alright.
That shit was fire.
FF7.
Sephiroth theme. I know that sound all too. Turn that shit off. Turn that shit off.
Angel.
No. Turn that motherfucker
Right,
off. Metal Gear. Okay. Hold up. I know the song now. Play it again. Maybe not. One more time.
It's crazy because I want to tell you it's crazy.
It is a Zelda song, right? I'm not bugging? Okay. But the specific song of it.
It's a title screen.
Is it? Is that it?
It's a title screen.
Oh,
it's a title
damn.
screen of a game. But yeah.
Nope, lost.
Ocarina of Time.
See?
You were just talking about that.
But here's the thing, bro. I didn't play Ocarina all the way. Ocarina and Majora's, I didn't play all the way. Damn.
That's crazy.
I think yours is like completely better. I didn't want to do just video games. I wanted to do all sounds, but like video games is the way to go.
Yeah. That shit really got niggas going through crates like, hold up. I played this.
Facts, though. Bro, I just went to Just Press Play on like Saturday. And I was like, oh, I used to play that heavy. Oh, I used to play that too.
First thing I do is I go in and look at the glass. That's where they got the old classic joints. I've been in there. Yo, that was that shit.
Mm-hmm.
Ninja Turtles, that was that shit.
Facts, though. Yo, we're at almost 20 minutes. You actually want to end this? 1947.
Hey. All right, we can do one more.
I bet one more.
One more piece. I'm gonna go random in the middle of this video. Oh, that's cheating. That's cheating.
Yeah, no. You can't use that.
Can't use that one either. Alright. Another random spot. It's not your type of game, so
I feel like we did this.
This one?
Yeah, that one's it's like here, you know what I'm saying? It's here, but I can't. I was like, wait the fucking minute. I want to say it's like Wii related, like specifically Wii related.
This nigga nice. This is Wii Sports.
Oh, I bet.
Alright,
Bet. So, and now to too easy. We're not using that one. Hell no. Oh. Bet. Hold on. You got it? Hold up, I got it.
Tom and Jerry.
It was Tom and Jerry. Damn.
It's crazy because I wasn't paying attention, but I heard it in the back and I just seen it.
Mm-hmm. God.
That's a clap. Pink Panther.
Yeah. I was like, this would be too easy, but fuck it.
It's crazy being a young boy hearing these songs. No fucks. Now when you get older, you hear that shit. Yo. Yup. I was being brainwashed.
Sub-Zero wins. Flawless victory.
Just heard the scream.
This may not be Yola, so it may be a little more difficult. Not that one.
Yeah, I was going to say it
Damn
before
it.
I heard it. I was like, wait, I know that background theme.
Like, no, Duke, you got it. I bet last one, and then I'm good. You hear it again? Hold it. Yeah. Got you again.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Yep.
I want to say the ball, but it's not. I don't want to say the movie, right?
No,
Oh, the ball.
it's a game.
Oh, it's a game.
Mm-hmm. It was a PC game, though. Yep. Yep, it was the space one.
Yeah.
That shit was fire. I very much enjoyed this episode. I usually enjoy all episodes, but like the free fall type shit was fun. Oh my god.
Yeah, Jones lit.
I didn't mean to do that. But yeah, that's all for today's episode, people. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It wasn't any form of script. Now, we're not like super scripted regardless, but just to go completely out on a whim and just guess that, yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty dope.
It was pretty dope. So, y'all know how this goes. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Appreciate
Please join us next week for whatever reason. All right, people. We'll be out. Deuces.